Well, here I am in my messy, really messy craft room. And I thought I would do a real quick look at my desk just to see how disorganized I am. I don't know why I want to show you that, but it's amazing that I'm able to find anything. And actually, I have to get organized because I keep finding that I can't find things. And part of my problem is I have sewing things, I have painting things, I have paper craft things, I have jewelry things, and they're all kind of mixed in together so that when I'm doing one thing or another, I have to paw through stuff that I'm not looking for to find what I am looking for. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this around so that I'm going to be not looking, you're not looking at me, and you're going to be seeing my desk and a project that I have just started working on. Well, no, I've just finished working on, but it's the first hardcover booklet journal that I've made. I made one for Grace for her birthday, and that actually was my first attempt, and I'll get better. It was a soft cover journal, and I'm going to make one for Ellen too for her birthday, but I'm not going to say much about that because she might see this before her birthday. Who knows? I'm going to try to clear a few things off my desk so that I can show you. That's how things go around here. Sadly. There's a sign, I think they say, that's something about a neat desk is this. I don't know. I'll never know. I'll never know what a neat desk is. Anyway, so let's turn this around. If I can. I can't. So, I'll just show you this way. I don't want to do it that way. I thought I could turn this around. Let me stop this and we'll start again.